Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Football is where we begin. Former national assistant and Jamaica college coach Miguel Coy says he's grateful for the opportunities he has been given after attaining his coaching pro license recently. Speaking on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill, Coy says the initial move outside of the island wasn't an easy choice.
It was a very difficult decision to leave Jamaica to go to Iran, but Coach Schaefer assured me that everything was okay. It was a safe place to coach football. So I believed in him, and at the same time I was looking at the fact that, look, this could be my ticket, my way to propel myself into the professional world outside of Jamaica.
And even though it was competitive to be chosen to complete the pro license course, Coy says that attaining a trophy in his respective league aided him in getting selected.
When I won, what helped me a lot was when I won the reserve league with Umstalal. So that kind of helped me in terms of persons from the federation know about me, they'll come to my game and stuff like that. So, and then, you align myself as much as possible so I could get in.
Coy acquired his UEFA Pro license at the Aspire Academy at his home base in Qatar. Former Arnett Gardens captain and striker Fabian Reid has made a return to local soil to play in the Ray Nephew Premier League. Reid will be rejoining his former club, Arnett. He played 3 games for Neroka Football Club in India, where he made 3 appearances and scored 1 goal. Reid scored 16 goals when he last played for the Junglists in the 2022-2023 JPL season. Further afield now, Wayne Rooney has been sacked as Birmingham City manager after just 83 days in charge of the English Championship club. The 38-year-old was appointed on October 11 following the controversial decision to dismiss John Eustace with the Blues 6th in the table. Since then, the Blues have slipped to 20th. Now, Monday's 3-0 loss at Leeds having been his 9th defeat in 15 games. Professional development coach Steve Spooner, he added, he will serve as the interim coach in following Rooney's sacking. And in tennis, Rafael Nadal impressed on his long-awaited return after almost a year out with injury, as he beat Dominic Thiem at the Brisbane International. Nadal, contesting his first singles match in 349 days, won 7-5, 6-1. Spain's 22-time Grand Slam champion has indicated this season will likely be the last of his illustrious career. Wildcard Nadal is using the tournament to get ready for the Australian Open, which starts on January 14 in Melbourne. And that's where we leave the courts for now. And I am Jermaine Brown. Shane, back to you.
Thanks, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.